today, it's Julie. This time we're going to open a blind ball. Okay, let's see which one I get. I got the bear.
I'm not a bear, Julie. I'm a panda. Yeah, and I talk. I'm gonna be your best friend, Julie. I already love you.
I'm going to give you back.
No, why? Oh, you're so mean. Oh, you're so mean.
Bye, guys. See you next time.
Don't forget to
Like and subscribe.